Hello, friends! Welcome to Milo's Alphabet Adventure. Let's learn our ABCs together. Camphant, are you ready? Let's begin. A says eh. A for apple. B says b. B for balloon.
C says k. C for cat. D says d. D for duck. E says eh. E for elephant. F says f. F for frog. G says g.
G for giraffe.
H says h. H for helicopter.
I says I for ice cream. J says j. J for jellyfish.
K says k.
K for kite. L says low. L for lion. M says M for monkey. Wow! N says n. N for nest. O says ok. O for octopus. P says p. P for penguin. Q says qua. Q for queen. R says R for rainbow. Wow, look at that. S says s. S for sun. T says t. T for turtle. U says U for umbrella. V says v. V for violin.
W says w. W for whale. X says x. X for xylophone.
Wow!
Y says
Y for yo-yo.
Z says z.
Z for zebra. Let's remember what we learned.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Wow, look at that. The whole alphabet. Today we learned the alphabet from A to Z. Hello there. Okay, kids, that's enough for today. Like and subscribe to our channel, Kiki Koo Kids, so we can meet again soon.